Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal, English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic, Assignment 1. This is lesson number 12. Okay, dear students, let us start our today's class. At first, I am reading the question of assignment. Here, the question is 28, 48 and 72 are three numbers. A number question is identify the prime numbers between 1 to 72. Dear students, in our previous classes, we have discussed about prime numbers. I hope you will be able to solve a number. Now, B number question is determine the common divisors of 8 and 12. We have to find out the common divisor of 8 and 12. You know that if we divide 8 by 1, then remainders will be 0. So 1 is the divisor of 8, and if we divide 8 by 2, then remainder also will be 0. So 2 is also a divisor of 8, and 3 is not a divisor of 8 because if we divide 8 by 3, then 2 will come as a remainder. So 3 is not a remainder. Similarly, 4 is remainder because if we divide 8 by 4, then remainder will be 0, and 5, 6, 7 are not divisor of 8, but 8 is divisor of 8. And now we'll find out divisor of 12. And in similar way, we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 will be the divisor of 12. If we divide 12 by these numbers, then remainder will be 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 will be the divisor of 12. Now common divisor will be here 1 and 1 common divisor of 8 and 12, 2 and 2 also common, and 4 and 4 also common. That means common divisor of 8 and 12 will be 1, 2 and 4. That means common divisor of 8 and 12 will be 1, 2 and 4. Now we'll solve C number. Here question is determine the greatest common divisor of three numbers by prime factorization method. We have to find out greatest common divisor, that means GCD or HCF. We have to find out the HCF of given three numbers. Here given three numbers are 28, 48 and 72, and we have to find out HCF by prime factorization method. At first we will write the given numbers. Here the given numbers are 28, 48 and 72. Now we will find out prime factors of 28, prime factors of 48 and prime factors of 72. Now we can write 28 is equal to, here we will use RAF for finding out the prime factors of 28. The smallest prime number is 2. We can divide 28 by 2. So if we divide 28 by 2, then 14 will come. Again, the smallest prime number 2, we can divide 14 by 2 also. If we divide 14 by 2, then 7 will come. 7 is a prime number. That means prime factors of 28 will be 2, 2 and 7. If we multiply 7 with 2, then 7 2s are 14 and 14 2s are 28. So we can write 28 equal to 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 7. Similar way, we will find out the prime factors of 48. 48 equal to 48. Here we can divide 48 by smallest prime number 2, then it will be 24. Again we can divide 24 by 2, it will be 12. Again if we divide 12 by 2, it will be 6. Again we can divide 6 by 2, then it will be 3. 3 is a prime number. That means 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3 will be the prime factors of 48. If we multiply 2, 3, 2, 2, 2 and 2, then we can get 48. So we can write 48 is equal to 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 and multiplication 3. Now we will find out the prime factors of 72. We can divide 72 by 2, then it will be 36. Again we can divide 36 by 2, then it will be 18. Again we can divide 18 by 2, then it will be 9. Now we can divide 9 by 3. We cannot divide 9 by 2. 3 is also a prime number. So if we divide 9 by 3, then it will be 3. So prime factors of 72 will be 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So we can write 72 equal to 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 3 and multiplication 3. Now we have to find out the greatest common divisor. If we here common divisors are 2, 2, 2 and common, 2, 2, 2 and are common. So here greatest common divisor will be, therefore greatest common divisor of greatest common divisor of 28, 48 and 72 is 2, 2, 2 and common. Again 2, 2 and 2 are common. So it will be 2 multiplication 2 and this is equal to 4 and answer will be 4. Dear the students, we have solved C number. Now we will solve D number. Here the question is, determine the least common multiple of 3 numbers by Euclid's method. Now you have to find out the LCM. Least common multiple means LCM of 28, 48 and 72. And we have to apply Euclid's method. Given numbers are 28, 48 and 72. Now 28, 48, 72. We have to take here a prime number so that at least two number will be divisible by taking number. If we take 2, then we can divide this number and this number by 2. So we'll take 2 now. If we divide 28 by 2, then it will be 14. If we divide 48 by 2, then it will be 24. And if we divide 72 by 2, then it will be 36. Again we can divide these three numbers by 2, so we'll take 2 again. And if we divide 14 by 2, then it will be 7. If we divide 24 by 2, then it will be 12. If we divide 36 by 2, then it will be 18. Now, if we take 2, here we cannot divide 7 by 2, but we can divide 12 by 2, and we also can divide 18 by 2. Since here 2 number is divisible by 2, so we can take 2 here. 7 same will here, and if we divide 12 by 2, then it will be 6. If we divide 18 by 2, then it will be 9. Now we can divide 6 by 2, but we cannot divide 9 by 2, and also we cannot divide 7 by 2. So we will not take 2 here. If we take 3, then 6 will be divisible by 3, and 9 also will be divisible by 3. So we can take 3 here. 2 3s are 6, so 2 will come. 3 3s are 9, so 3 will come. Now required least common multiple, therefore required LCM is equal to 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 7 multiplication 2 and multiplication 3. 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 7. Again multiplication 2 and multiplication 3. Now we have to multiply these numbers. Here 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. 42 3s are 42 3s are 2 3s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. That means 126. 126 2s are 252 and 252s are 504. 504 2s are 504 2s are 1008. Again I am multiplying. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42 and 42 3s are. If we multiply 42 by 3, then 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12, 126. If we multiply 126 by 2, then it will be 252. 252. Again if we multiply 252 by 2, then it will be 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. From 10 we will write 0 carrying 1, 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 1 equal to 5. That means 504. If we multiply this 504 by 2, then it will be 1008. So answer will be 1008. 1008. Okay, dear the students, we have solved D number. Now we'll solve E number. Here question of E number is, show that the product of LCM and HCF of first and second numbers of the stem is equal to the product of the first two numbers. So we have to find out the LCM and HCF of 28 and 48. Then we will multiply LCM with HCF, and we have to show that this value will be equal to the multiplication of the product of 28 and 48. Here first number is 28 and second number is 48. First number 28, second number 48. Now we'll find out LCM and HCF. Here now we'll write 28 and 48 side by side and we'll give comma between the two numbers. Now we'll take a prime number so that this number and this number will be divisible by taking prime number. We know that smallest prime number is 2 and we can divide 28 and 48 by 2. So we'll take 2 here. If we divide 28 by 2, then it will be 14. If we divide 48 by 2, then it will be 24. Again we can divide these two number by 2, so we'll take 2 here again, and 2 sevens are 14, 2 12s are 24. Now we cannot take any number by any prime number by which 7 and 12 will be divisible by that number. So LCM will be 2 multiplication 7 multiplication 12. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 multiplication 7 multiplication 12. Here 7 12s are 84 and 84 2s are 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Again 168 2s are 8 2s are 16. From 16 we will write 6 carrying 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 equal to 13. From 13 we will write 3 carrying 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. That means 336. Here LCM will be 336. Now we will write HCF or GCD. Now HCF. Again HCF is equal to, here only common divisor of 28 and 48 will come here. Here 2 and 2. These 2 and these 2 are common divisor of 28 and 48. So HCF will be 2 multiplication 2 and this is equal to 4. Now we can easily find out the product of LCM and HCF. Therefore LCM multiplication of HCF is equal to, LCM is 336 multiplication HCF is 4. Now if we multiply 336 by 4, then 4 6 are 24. From 24 we will write 4 carrying 2. Again 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 equal to 14. From 14 we will write 4 carrying 1. Now 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 1344. Now we will find out the product of two numbers. Product of 28 and 48 is equal to 28 multiplication 48. We will use rough here. 28 and 48. Here 8 8s are 64. From 64 we will write 4 carrying 6. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2, this is equal to 22. We will take 0 here. Now 4 8s are 32. From 32 we'll write 2 here. Carrying 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. If we add, then it should be 4, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 1. That means 1344, 1, 3, 4, 4. We are watching that multiplication of or product of LCM and HCF is 1344 and the product of two numbers also is 1344. So we can say that product of LCM and HCF of first and second number of the stem is equal to the product of the first two numbers. Therefore, the product of LCM and HCF of first and second number of the stem is equal to the product of first two numbers. Of first two numbers should. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's CW. We have finished our today's CW and I hope you will be able to do your assignment properly. And at the time of doing assignment, you must have to use A4 size offset paper. Do your assignment properly and submit on within scheduled date. Okay, thank you for watching the class. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Allah Hafiz.